Aspirin has several effects on the body, but the primary uses are for 1. Anti-inflammation, fever reduction, and pain relief, and 2. As a blood thinner. Both sets of actions are caused by aspirin irreversibly deactivating a group of enzymes called cyclooxygenase, or COX for short. After an injury, inflammation occurs as part of the body's normal healing process. Inflammation is regulated by specific enzymes, mediators, and cells, such as white blood cells. COX is one of the key enzymes involved in the inflammation process. COX acts upon arachidonic acid, a fatty acid, and converts it into prostaglandins, which are small compounds that act as mediators of inflammation. Aspirin chemically reacts with COX irreversibly, disabling the enzyme and halting the formation of prostaglandins. Reduced production of prostaglandins in turn reduces inflammation. In normal blood vessels, after a stimulus such as injury, red blood cells often clump together as they travel through the bloodstream. This clumping action is an important element of the clotting process that helps stop bleeding after a cut. The clumping behavior of the cells is regulated by small cells called platelets. Like in inflammation, COX acts upon arachidonic acid and converts it into thromboxane A2, a compound that regulates the clumping action of platelets, in turn forming a blood clot. When aspirin deactivates COX, it shuts off the production of thromboxane A2, which in turn stops the platelets from aggregating red blood cells. If red blood cells don't form clumps, blood becomes thinner, which can reduce the chance of a heart attack, but also can lead to excessive bleeding.